we videoed our most recent 2-week appropriate technology course, and all of the video is now ready. We built a solar food dehydrator, a rocket oven, a rocket water heater, a bio-sand filter, a Johnson-style air well. We called this the Easy Bake Coffin. It's like a crock pot that uses much less energy, but the Haybox cooker uses no energy at all. In the classroom, we cover photovoltaic systems, composting toilets, oil barrel repurposing, solar ovens, and welding. Then, all of the students build experience with a bunch of solar ovens. Everybody gets a chance to drive the excavator and do as much welding as they want. You can see all of this and all of our PDC video at pdcvid.com.